Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 2 stars in this additional newspaper of March the 25th. So let's get started. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. So let's start with a 3. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 boxes remain for the 3. It could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, we have a 3 over there. So in the column next, the only 3 places for a 3 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Then let's see with another digit. I cannot continue. A 2 in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 2. Should be this one. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. And then five. Yes. Look, this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is also a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. I see there 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here and could be there. Same with the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. Here a 3, no 3 there. So it's a pair, 5 and a 3, 5 and a 3. That means the 6, the 8, 6, 8, the 1, the 6 should be here. We have a 6 there. So we have a 6 here. Can I do something with the 7? The 7 should be one of these 2 boxes. We have a 7 there, 7 here. The 8 should be also here. So we have a 7, we have a 6, 8, 6, 6, 8. Wait. No. 5 and a 4. The other 7, 8. The other 4 boxes are 7, 8, 1, and 6. 7, 8, 1, and 6. 7, 8, 1, and 6. This should be a 1. Look, these 2 are 3 and 5. So we have 4 boxes left. And the 4 numbers are 7, 8, and 6. We have a 7, 8, and 6. So this must be a 1. 4 numbers, 8, 7, 6, and the 1. So in these 3 numbers, 3 boxes, the numbers 8, 7, and 6 goes there. 8, 7, and 6. Yes. So we have a 1 there. Okay. This big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9, should be this one. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. And then let me see. 7 and 8, 3 and 4. 5. Can I do something with the 5? No. 4. 1, 2, 3. We have a 1 here, so the 1 should be one of these 2 boxes. In this row, the third row. Excuse me for a moment. Hey. Ja, ik was even aan het opnemen. Gijs was net langs geweest. Net nog? Ja, hij vroeg morgen 8 uur. Oh. Gaat hij dat morgen even onderhouden? Oh, dat heb ik niet gemaakt. Oh, dat zou ik zeggen. Ja. Ik ga weer verder. Ik was aan het opnemen. Even kijken. Alright. Nee, ik heb hier. Ja. 1, we have a 1 here. 1 is 7 is missing. Sorry for the interruption. 7 and the 4. 1, 7 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Then can I do something with 2, 9, the 3, no, the 9, the 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, the 2, the 9, the 6. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. 6 over there, so 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6. Should be this one. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be here, because we have a 5 and a 3 here. 5 and a 3. So this must be a 6. That was 6. Okay. 7. Yes. 3 missing numbers here. The numbers are 4, 7, and 8. I see here 7, so no 7 there, so the 7 should be in one of these two boxes. So we have a 7 in this column, we have a 7 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be here. One box remain for the middle column for the number 8. The 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 4, and 5. 1, 4, and 5. I can... Here, the 1, 4, and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. These two numbers in this row for the number 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8, 7 here. And the 7 goes there. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And I remember these two boxes are reserved for the 7. Now we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 7 must be here. 4, 8. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 4, that means this box should be an 8. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be here. 5. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 missing number in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. Now we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for the 1 is here or there. But we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the second column, the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 box is remaining for the first big square for the number 4. 2 boxes missing for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 3 boxes missing in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7. In these 2 boxes, 1 box remains for the 7 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 missing numbers. Wait. 1 missing number in this second row for the number 2, 3, 4. 4 is missing, yes, in the second row. 2 numbers missing in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 3 and 5. Yes, now we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 8. Then 1 missing number in this row for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 5 and 5 and we have a 3, 4, 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. So no 2 here. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, for this Sudoku with 2 stars. If you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you for watching this Sudoku with 2 stars, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. Thank you for now and see you later. Bye bye.